Oh my gosh. So I'm with my mom. We're heading to the airport right now. I've literally been working all day and packing, and it's been non-stop, like at my computer working like crazy, trying to get a lot of work done, and then packing on the side, and then grabbing last minute gifts for friends, and I am so out of breath. I'm just literally ready to breathe and relax and not have to worry about packing anything or having anything on me. I'm pretty behind right now on work. I'm probably gonna have to work on the plane. I have to say though, I don't feel as scared traveling, and I know that the circumstances probably doesn't really make sense, but I think I feel more secure with myself while traveling now because I have traveled a lot by myself, and I feel like I know what to expect. I've been through those circumstances that scared me, like being alone, being lonely, lost, not being able to talk to people because they don't speak English. So I've been through these difficult situations of solo travel, and I almost feel like I kind of know how to handle it a little better. I also feel like I've made a lot of amazing friends, so I can always call them up or text them if I need them. I'm probably not going to Europe either, so that's probably a lot less stressful because it's a lot working and traveling in Europe, even though I love it. It's a little bit draining. How are you doing, mother?
Who, me?
Yeah, mom.
I'm very sad because I'm losing my daughter.
I'm gonna be back. You know that, right? I'll be back, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be back for Thanksgiving. Okay, we're at the airport right now. It's really weird being here because I haven't traveled outside of the islands in like 8 months. So it's just a weird feeling to be here knowing that I'm gonna be gone for a bit because I really got used to being in Hawaii. So here we are. Exciting.
I gotta turn this on.
At the airport now. Putting my jacket on. Say bye, Mom. Back on my own. Okay, so I made it past security and it was really quick. Like it took probably 5 minutes. It's super empty right now. This is like an outdoor area heading to the gates. So I just got off the plane. I'm walking to BART right now. It's almost midnight, but that's only 8 o'clock Hawaii time, so I'm not that tired. I'm actually so hungry right now. They had like a chicken barbecue sandwich, which was really good, but they gave it to us earlier, so I'm really hungry and I want to eat now. So I'm gonna see what I can possibly find, and I'm in SF. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Anyways, I'm not sure if I'm gonna film more, but so we'll see. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.